Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a color changing Aurora nightlight projector. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing an Aurora nightlight projection lamp from the company Soaiy. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it, but this night lamp projector has so many different features, which we are going to take a closer look at here in a second. There's 8 different lighting modes that this lamp actually supports, and this night lamp also has speakers built into it that you can actually plug an auxiliary cable into to play music through this night lamp projector. So we're going to take a look at all the different features that this night lamp projector has here in a second. But before we actually get started with this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me in the comments section. And if you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate if you guys went down below and left a like, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. And then lastly, if you guys want to get more product information and specification details about this product, that kind of stuff will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, with all the details, specifications, features that this night lamp projector has to offer. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So you guys can see the packaging of this night lamp is pretty good. You know, there's a lot of details on the box itself, which we are going to take a closer look at with a secondary camera angle. So on the front of the box, it just says Soaiy, and this is the light projection lamp, and we have a picture representation of the LED projection lamp. On this side, you guys can see there's a few application uses of this night light projection lamp, and we have ours in black, and ours does contain a remote. But yeah, that's basically it for the specifications. But on this side, you guys can see there's a little more details, which you guys can take a pause and read if you're interested in looking at that kind of information. So I'm just going to open up this flap on the back side here, and we're just going to open up and see what's actually inside the packaging. We just got to lift up this part just like so. And now you guys can see on this side we have our USB to power adapter cable that we need to actually use to supply power to this lamp. I'm going to put it off to the side. On this side, it looks like we have the charging brick with that we need to use to actually plug into that cable to give power to this projector. I'm going to put it off to the side. And let me pull out the LED projection lamp. This is how the projection lamp looks like. You guys can see it says the company's name in the middle right here, and this is how it looks like. And on the back side, we have the port that we need to utilize to supply power to this night lamp, and then we also have our auxiliary input that we can use to actually play music through the speakers that are built into this night lamp. And on the front side, like I forgot to show you guys, these are different buttons right here that we can use to actually control all the different features and different effects that this night lamp can actually produce. And then the cool thing about this night lamp is this top plate is actually removable, and I'll show you guys when we do test this out if you have this on and if you have this off, so you guys can see the difference between those two things. So if you want a softer light, you do have that capability with this night lamp. We have the remote control or a charging brick, the cable that we need to use to supply power to this night projector, and we also have the auxiliary cable right here, and we have the night projector itself, and then we also have the user manual and a VIP card. I'll show you guys all of this in the testing portion of the video, which we are going to move over to right now. So So the first thing we need to do to actually get this projector up and running is we need to actually take this cable and plug it into the back of this brick so we can actually supply power to this night projector. And now you take this other end of the cable, as you guys can see, and plug it into your power supply. Once you plug it into your power supply, you now take this end of the cable and plug it into the back of this projector. Just like so. We should be good to go, and I think this projector is off currently. So that is basically all that it is to get this projector up and running. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move my chair off to the side, and basically I'm going to configure and change this to a more better setting so we can actually test out this projector. But you guys can see this is how it looks like once you have it on, and like I said, you can remove this plate. But let me just turn off all my lights and stuff and face this onto the wall so we can actually see how this projector looks like. So I changed my location and kind of put the night projector in a more optimal location, and you guys can see on my other camera screen, since it's not completely dark where I live, it's not extremely bright. But what I'm going to do is actually remove this plate, and you guys are going to see it's going to get a lot more brighter. So let me do that. This is how the Aurora night projector looks like on my wall, and honestly the colors do really pop. I'm going to show you guys all the different light patterns and stuff you can do with the remote control right here. So let's actually power it off. You guys can see if I click on the middle button right here, it powers off. Click it again and it powers back on. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is rotate on and off. So if I wanted to, I could stop it from rotating and stuff. And you guys can see now the image is static and it doesn't do any rotation. But if I click it back again, it's going to start rotating. And you guys can see now the night light projector is starting to rotate and move around the screen. We also got in this button right here, we got light pattern that we can change and configure. So you guys can see if I click it, now it's just showing like a red and green kind of background. If I click it again, you guys can see now it's just a red background. And if I click it again, you guys can see now it has like a blue-green kind of red kind of background that's just flashing between, which looks really nice. Click it again. You guys can see now it's just like a red background, and I think it might be repeating itself, but it looks like there is a few different patterns here that we have not taken a look at. So I think this might be all the different 8 patterns that you can do with this night projector. You can even change the brightness of this night projector. So we got 10% right here, and you guys can see it's a lot dim. We got that looks to be 60% right here. You guys can see it's a little bit more, you can see a little bit more, and then we got 100%. And you guys can see with the 100% you really get the colors to pop out. And then it looks like there's a few different timers on the bottom. So we got 1 hour, we got 2 hour, and we also got 4 hour right here. So if you wanted to have this automatically turn off after a certain period of time, you can do so with this Soaiy night projector. There is one last thing I want to test out with this Aurora night projector, and that is the sound quality of its speakers. So what I'm going to do is take the auxiliary cable and plug it into my phone, and then we're going to play some audio. So I want to plug in the auxiliary cable into this projector, which is in the back right here. I plug it in just like so. So I'm playing a song right now. I'm going to turn it up here in a second. And this is max volume, I believe. Nope, actually I can turn it up a little more. And that's the sound quality of this Aurora. Oh, it looks like, there we go. But this is how the sound quality sounds like. So it's not extremely loud with the sound like of the speakers, but you know, if you're using this in the nighttime, you're not gonna have music really loud anyways. So it does a pretty decent job, I guess. But you know, the quality of the music sounds pretty good. It's just not extremely loud. And we can test this out with another song. And you know, the quality doesn't sound too bad overall. So I'm pretty impressed with the quality of the music. So yeah, that's how the quality of the music sounds like with this night projector, but it's not too bad. So I think that's going to conclude our test and demonstration, and I'm going to pause the music. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this night projector lamp from the company Soaiy? Overall, this projector lamp did a fantastic job. If you're going to use this in the nighttime, you can really give off a really nice effect with this night projector. And then what I also really like about this night projector lamp is that this cover is removable. So you can easily remove it, and you guys can see it gives off a really nice effect, and it's a lot more, brighter if you have this removed. But I can put it back on, and it can give off like a softer kind of image and not really have those lighting effects affect me in the nighttime, especially for those who are sensitive to light at night. And in the remote control offers so many different features, such as changing all these various different light patterns, which really looks nice on camera when we tested it out. And you guys can see on the secondary camera, it really gives off like this nebula kind of effect and looks really nice and presentable. And there was just so many different options. There's 8 different lighting effect modes, and all of them look fantastic with this nebula kind of, starry night projector. So overall, I'm really impressed with this starry night projector, and it did a fantastic job, and it really gives off a nice effect in your rooms or wherever you decide to set this up. But that is going to conclude and end this video. So if you guys did enjoy, I would really appreciate it if you guys went down below and hit that subscribe button, especially if you're new to our YouTube channel. Have any questions or concerns about this night projector lamp, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me down below. And if you guys did enjoy this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. If you guys have any questions or concerns, or if you're a company wanting to work with me or business inquiries, email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message and we could potentially work together. Or if you guys need any further assistance with this product, that is the email address you can use to reach out to me. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this starry night projector or get more information and details about it, product information and details will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, with the specifications, the features, and all the different things you can do with this starry night projector. But overall, I'm really impressed with this night lamp. I don't know what to call it. I keep calling it a starry night projector. It's a nebula, galaxy, Aurora. There's all these different names, but it's just essentially a projector you can use in the nighttime to give a nice effect, especially with kids. Kids really like this kind of thing in their room because it just gives off a nice kind of galaxy kind of mood into the room. So if you know somebody who may be interested, definitely show them this video so that they can get more information and insights about this product. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I've been making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.